Hey everyone, it's Julia with Wig Review Central at Shirley's Wig Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to use and we're going to review the Cool Flow Dual Styler that's distributed by TressTech Wigs. This is the first dual-purpose styling iron that curls or straightens human hair, heat-friendly wigs, and toppers. I'm very excited about this. It has a cooling technology that cools the hair as it's heating it so that you don't have to pin the hair up, especially heat-friendly fiber, or hold it for a couple of minutes for the curl to set. So this should make for faster styling. The package opens and you have instructions here at the top. It also comes with a manual that gives you instructions in different languages. When we unpack it, it's in this sealed plastic wrap, and also the wires here inside this sleek packaging. Cool Flow is suitable for heat-friendly synthetic wigs, not regular synthetic. Has to be heat-friendly synthetic wigs or hair toppers, and also human hair. Now, the instructions recommend that your hair be dry and combed to get rid of any tangles, and then sectioned so that you can curl it or flat iron in sections. This comes with a 1-year warranty. Its other great features are that it automatically shuts off after 60 minutes in case you forget and leave it on. Also, because of the cooling, you don't have to worry about burning your fingers on the two buttons here. This is the power button. You will press and hold it for 1 to 2 seconds to turn on the appliance. It is automatically set to the medium heat setting. The LCD will display the temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius according to voltage. And the breeze function, which is this indicator, will light up and it will flash. The breeze function will automatically activate once the selected temperature setting has been reached and the indicator light remains solid. It's set at 350 degrees. I do not have a heat-friendly TressTech wig to show you the Cool Flow curling on. However, I do have the Belle Tress Boss Nova wig in the color graphite. This is a poker straight style, and we'll see if we can curl it with this. It is recommended that you curl your heat-friendly or human hair wig or topper in sections. So you'll want to take hold of the Cool Flow iron, and then you press this button and open up the barrel, place it on, and then turn this 180 degrees back on itself and curl. And just slowly work it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. You'll want to curl it tight at the top and then keep turning the barrel and pulling the rest of the fiber length through. Look at that. Let's see what it does to the bangs. Ooh. Let's see if we can flat iron this piece back straight. We'll just take this, come to the top, and slowly pull it through the length. And sure enough, it's straightened again. I added several spiral curls. I just wanted to add one over here so that you can see the difference between the straight and the spiral. And then I did this whole side in spiral curls. I found that this appliance is easy to use, except when you're pulling the fiber or hair through it as you're curling, sometimes you end up with straight ends, almost like the Bell Tress Stumptown wig, how it's wavy and then it's straight for about 4 or 5 inches. So I had to go back and actually curl the very ends of several of those strands. Whether you're looking to create spiral curls or you would like to straighten a heat-friendly or human hair style, all you need is Cool Flow. Now, if you would like to learn more about this or shop, I have left a link in the video description box under this video where you can click and shop at shirleyswigshop.com. Thank you so much for watching our how-to video showing you the remarkable curling and straightening power of Cool Flow by TressTech.